So, we've had some problems with the old Suzuki, and you can probably guess in the way I'm dressed with the old mask and the suit and all that on, and we've remastered all the car and everything, that's paintwork problems, and you'll guess right. So let me spin you around, and basically I'll show you what I've been doing. But what it was, where I've done the blend areas on the quarter, and the door that side, and the wing on this side, where the blends were, the two silvers didn't match very well. So the silver they gave me and the silver in the car, you could see like the blend line, and yeah, not happy, weren't happy at all. So completely stripped that all back off, re-primed, I've just re-silvered, and I've gone right through the panel and made sure the match is really good this time. And so that's where we are. So I'll spin you around, I'll show you how far we got. But I'm halfway there already. I'm on the third coat of silver, so I've done the priming and stuff like that, so that's all sorted. So let's spin around, let's have a look, and let's see what panels caused us the problems. Welcome in, I'm Carl. So for starters, I don't know if you remember on the other video, but we had a repair here on this panel here. Well, the repair's gone, but up here you can see a big blend line, and there was like a black shadow in between where the blend line was, and yeah, didn't want that. So basically you can see where we are now. We've got a nice uniform silver. Obviously there's still some shadows, but that's normal. That's meant to be shadows. The silver's silver all the way through, and there's not a line where anything blends. So that's what we had to do on that side. On this side, we had to do the arch on the bottom of the quarter here. We had to blend in all underneath the petrol cap and under here, up around here and down the arch. So we've done that. We've also come in down the edge of the door, and you can probably see where I've flicked them in a couple of times. I'm now about to blend this whole area and get that all to blend in nicely, and that's what we've got to do on this side. So yeah, a bit of a pain. Only going to be a quick video, but I thought I'd just update you, because you're probably wondering why the next video is not out and why we haven't gone on any further with this vehicle. So okay, last coat of silver's on. I'll spin you around and show you that in a sec. I'm going to give it half an hour or so to dry off, and I'll be mixing some lacquer and stuff up, getting that already in a different gun. So I use different guns for different things, and fingers crossed we'll get this one done today. Getting fed up with doing paintwork on it now. It's like the third time I've done some stuff on it. I wish I'd have just, when I started the first time, just painted all the bits that need doing all at once, instead of trying to do some blends and stuff. All the bumpers and all the other stuff we've done come out spotless. It looks better than the rest of the car. It's lovely. Once we flatten them down and give them a buff, they're going to be better than a mirror. They're going to be better than glass. So that's all good. But that was these panels causing the trouble. So let's spin around and have a look at them, and let's get it right. So as you can see, they're definitely coming out much better now. That panel's all lovely, it's all blended. Looks spot on, all the right colour. You have to excuse my throat today, I've got a bit of a funny throat today. Same over this side. All the bits are blending where they need to be blended. once that dries off, you won't be able to see where I've just painted. Obviously, you can see the bits at the moment, and that'll all blend in. So should be pretty good once we get some lacquer on. What I'll do is I'll get the first coat on, and maybe the second coat of lacquer, then I'll bring it back in, and I'll show you what it looks like. Let's go. So, just sitting here in the old caravan, giving that sort of half an hour or so for the paint to dry down a bit. I'm probably going to have a drink. It's fairly hot today, to be fair though, so I might just have a cold drink. And looks like it's coming out okay from what I can see. That's now starting to flatten off quite nicely and go fairly smooth. It's looking alright. Another couple of coats of lacquer and we should be doing pretty well. So I'll see you in a minute and we'll get another coat on, and so I'll bring it back for the last coat and we'll have a little look at it, and then that's time to just leave it overnight and let it set. Okay, so let's get the last coat on. as you saw in the last part, it's all done. 4 coats, really shiny, nice sort of mirror finish. It's now a case of giving it a couple of days to settle now, and got a couple of minute little runs we've got to sort out, but that's nothing, that's normal, just when you go a little bit close. Whew. So I'm glad that's all out of the way. Bit of a pain, big problem really, because I could have had the rest of the car back together by now and, you know, all valeted up and looking good, ready for its MOT, but these things happen and you have to just deal with it, don't you? So it's another whole morning used to get that done, but I'll walk away from it now, let it get settled, and probably look at it again tomorrow now. I've got some other things I've got to do this afternoon and stuff away from the unit, so I'll go and do them. And that'll be the end of this one, I think. So thanks for watching. Just thought I'd give you an update on what was going on. I'd say normally I'd have had another video out by now, and that would have been probably the whole valet on the outside, and then one going for the MOT. So just sort of, you know, bring you up to date and let you know what's happening, because I think it's been a week since I put the last one out, and that's what was happening. I had to do some redos. So thanks for watching. I'll see you again soon. Bye for now.